Hello, everybody. It's Darren Kittleson. We've got just another week left of being able to nominate companies for Best of Madison, and we'd love to be a nomination again this year. So if you go to Google, just type in Best of Madison 2023, you'll get this little pop up. If you scroll down on this page to the very bottom where you get these icons, you see food and drink, health and medical, home and lifestyle is where real estate is. And so if you go to the far left column, go down to the real estate companies and click on that. And then you'll get this option right there at the top of your screen for real estate company. And I'm going to ask you just type in Keller Williams Realty Madison and hit submit. Now, if you've not registered before, it'll ask you to register once before for the month, but then you can go in every day and vote once a day. And if you want to help me out too, go to food and drink and go to Artisanal Food Products. And if you type in under that very first category, Brunkeberg Kviteseid Farms, Generations Beef, I would be nominated for that too. So be helpful. Thanks.